Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pochacco. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the face. In the center, let's draw a black oval for the nose. Then 2 black ovals for the eyes. Next, let's hop to the sides and draw the shape of the head. Let's start above the left eye, and let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, let's leave a small gap, and let's curve it out and down towards the center. And the same thing on the right, and let's leave a small gap in the middle. Now let's hop up to the top. Inside the gap on the left, let's draw a triangle shape. Then another one in the middle. And then a longer one going out to the right. And now let's color all of these in black. Next, let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. And then let's color it in black. Now for the right ear, on the top right of the head, let's draw a curve out. And then an S-shaped curve above it to close it off. And color it in black as well. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start in the center, underneath on the left, and let's draw a line down. And then a longer diagonal from the right side. Now let's hop out on the left, and let's draw a bent line down like this. And the same on the right. Next, underneath, let's leave a small gap, and let's draw curves down for the sides of the body. Next, let's add the arms. From the sides of the collar, let's draw a curve down and back in. And the same on the right. Then inside in the middle, let's draw another curve for the sleeve of the shirt. Now let's move inside and draw the bottom of the shirt with a curve across. Now let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw a line across like this. Then from the center, let's draw a short line up, and then a V shape on top for the legs. And that's it for Pochacco. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!